Hi, and welcome to this Affinity Publisher tool tutorial. We are going to cover the last two tools in this series together, and that is the View tool and the Zoom tool, because they both have to do with navigation of your document. So let's start out with the View tool, which is this thing that is a hand icon. Basically what this does is when this is selected and you use your mouse, you can move around your area here. So I've got the rulers turned on so you can see how things are moving back and forth. So this is particularly helpful in, I think, designer more so than publisher, because you may have multiple artboards that you want to see at the same time. So that can be helpful for this. Usually in publisher, we're dealing with pages where we just scroll down to the next page. But in something like designer view, if you have multiple artboards, you might want to use this to kind of maybe get two side by side here. So that is the View tool. The other one is the Zoom tool. Now, when I click to it, it has a magnifying glass with a plus in the middle, which means each time I click, I'm going to zoom in a little bit further. Now, to zoom back out, you've got some helpful little tips down here. So I'm in a weird situation right now where I'm using a PC keyboard with my Mac because my Mac one is charging. So it's Alt on a PC, and then it turns to zoom out. And I believe this is the Option symbol on a Mac. So hold Alt or Option and click, and you'll be able to do the same thing zooming out. Now you'll also notice a couple other helpful hints here. Drag right to zoom in. So hold your left mouse button and drag to the right. Keep holding your left mouse button and drag to the left in order to zoom out. So those are some helpful ways to zoom in and out. Thanks for watching.